Huawei Enjoy 7S accompanies a 5.65-inch touchscreen show with a determination of 1080 pixels by 2160 pixels. The Huawei Enjoy 7S is fueled by 1.7 GHz octa-center HiSilicon Kirin 659 processor, and it accompanies 3 GB of RAM. The telephone packs 32 GB of inward stockpiling that can be extended up to 256 GB through a microSD card. To the extent the cameras are concerned, the Huawei Enjoy 7S packs a 13-megapixel essential camera on the back and an 8-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Huawei Enjoy 7S runs Android 8.0 and is fueled by a 3000 mAh non-removable battery. It quantifies 150.10 by 72.05 by 7.45, stature x width x thickness, and weight 143.00 grams. The Huawei Enjoy 7S is a double SIM, GSM and GSM, cell phone that acknowledges Nano-SIM and Nano-SIM. Availability alternatives incorporate Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB LTE, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the telephone incorporate proximity sensor, accelerometer and ambient light sensor.